Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? In today's video, we'll talk about some rare and valuable Susan B. Anthony dollars, how much they sold for, and why they sold for so much. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to find out what collectors know that you need to know. Let's get right into it. Take a look at this beautiful Susan B. Anthony dollar. It doesn't get any better than this one. You'll be hard-pressed to find any bag marks, wear, or blemishes on this coin. You can see some scratches, but those are on the plastic case the coin is displayed in. This dollar coin graded Proof 70 DCAM on a scale from 1 to 70. I bet the coin collector who submitted this for grading was feeling good when this dollar coin was sent back to him. This coin is a Type 2 proof coin. Proof coins are made specifically for collectors. These coins have specially prepared dies, usually with laser etching, to create contrast between the portrait and the field of the coin. This is what is referred to as deep cameo. A Type 2 for the 1981 S Susan B. Anthony dollar means that the S mint mark is the clear variety. The Type 1 mint mark looks like this. This perfectly graded 1981 San Francisco minted Susan B. Anthony dollar coin sold at Heritage Auctions for $587. If you have a 1979 Philadelphia minted Susan B. Anthony dollar coin, you need to know about the wide rim variety. There were two different designs that were used for 1979. The common design is called the narrow rim. You can see how narrow the rim is compared to the scarce and more valuable variety, the wide rim variety. It'll be hard to tell the difference between the two unless you're comparing it to another coin. See how close the numbers in the date are to the rim? This rare coin variety was sent to PCGS for grading and was given a mint state 67. It was put up for auction at Heritage Auctions, and this dollar coin sold for over $1,500. Have you ever heard of the 1979 near-date variety? Maybe you have under a different name. This variety is also known as the wide rim variety, and we just got finished looking at one of them. The last one we looked at graded mint state 67 and sold for about $1,500. This one graded just a little bit better than the other one. This dollar coin was graded mint 67 plus, and because the date is so much closer to the rim than the popular variety for this year, it sold at auction for almost $6,500. If you like coin errors, this dollar coin is right up your alley. A Susan B. Anthony dollar looks like this, not this. This is a 1999 Susan B. Anthony dollar. It was minted in Philadelphia. You can tell where it was minted by finding the mint mark located right here. The P is for Philadelphia, a D is for Denver, and an S is for San Francisco. There are plenty of bag marks and scratches on this dollar coin, but it still managed to get graded mint state 64. What's special about this coin is that it was minted on a wrong planchet. This planchet is for the Sacagawea dollar coin. Either a stray planchet found its way into the hopper for the Susan B's, or a mint worker intentionally created this wrong planchet error. After the dollar coin was graded, it was put up for auction. This planchet error dollar coin sold for $10,637. Take a quick second and think to yourself, how would you describe this coin? How does the surface look? Are there bag marks, scratches, gouges, or blemishes? Do you see any signs of wear? I can see a little bit of all of these. This looks like a normal dollar coin, but looks can be deceiving. I just received a dime from the convenience store in much better condition than this. There's no way my dime would sell for the over $21,000 like this dollar coin did. When people think about collector coins, they think of pristine coins or error coins. Only real collectors know that there's more to coin collecting than this. Just like any other collectible item, price is often determined by rarity. Susan B. Anthony dollars aren't rare. We may not see them often, but they still can be easily obtained. In fact, I just gave some of them to tip hotel staff the other day. What makes a coin valuable is its condition combined with scarcity. This 1981 S Susan B. Anthony was submitted to PCGS for grading. It came back graded Mint State 67 plus. The reason this dollar coin is so valuable is because there hasn't been another 1981S Susan B. Anthony dollar that graded higher than this one. That makes this dollar coin the best known example for this year and mint mark. That's why a collector bought this coin for $21,600. If you enjoyed this video, share it on social media. It helps more than you can imagine. Thanks for watching.